Hey, aloha everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I want to share my three strategies on how to invest during a bear market. These are just my strategies. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Definitely hit that like button, helps out the channel a lot. And make sure you turn on that notification bell so you get new contents. Let's get started. Number one, stay cool and calm. Um, when we had that market crash in March, what I saw was stocks going down. I started to worry, panic, doubt was creeping in because what I saw was money just disappearing every day. What that experience taught me is that stocks go up and down all the time, and that I needed to definitely keep my emotions checked. Um, with encouragement from other channel creators, I refocused on my passive goal of passive income. Um, when you do your research and invest in companies such as Apple and Microsoft, you have to learn to trust that research and just stop worrying and just relax because these companies are here to stay. Number two, I use what they call DCA or dollar cost average. Um, I'll give you an example. I have shares of Coca Cola. So when you have shares, um, you can buy in here when it's going up. You can also buy it when it's going down. If it's going back up again, you decided to buy here. And then when it went really down, you can buy in there. Um, this is a what they call dollar cost average, making investments over time. You buy it at high and low prices, basically creating a low cost average. Number three, I invest in companies you understand and use as a consumer. Um, I go to McDonald's a lot because I have kids. I also use products of Johnson and Johnson, as well as one of my favorites, Procter and Gamble. As a family, we go get our food at Costco. Um, so these companies, I'm a consumer, so I understand their products. I like their products. I also like how their organization is built and the culture. Um, that's about it. Please subscribe, hit that like, comment, make a comment. Um, just remind that these are just my examples. Check with your financial advisor. Aloha, everybody, and be safe. Um, until next time, bye.